Okay, let's go. पूजा के पास जाते हैं. So you have to raise your virtual hand so I can pick up one by one. सबसे पहले पूजा, fastest finger first. Yes, पूजा.
Hello,
Good
sir.
evening.
Sir, sir, maybe a growth in today's after today's diamond support system session. So since last 4 5 days, I was facing a left shoulder pain, and I don't know what happened. Maybe some while sleep, the muscle got pulled out. But physiotherapy also I tried. That didn't help. But today's 30 minutes, not even 30 minutes, 15 minutes, I could attend the session, and the last that breakout room session. That whole Dopo prayer really helped. And I'm really feeling 50-60% relief from my pain. And really very much confident to deal things. And as you said, मैं सोच रही थी pain क्यों आ है? Why pain is for me only. Then as you said, pain will be there. So you're managing that, cope up from that. That's the main success for you. So yes, and like gratitude for that pain also. And I know how I can heal it. And otherwise also as an overall growth, like earlier the confidence was less. Now whatever be it my relationship, I consider that as my karmic things, which maybe I don't know past me. But yes, now I have confidence to manage the things. ठीक है, जैसे है चलाना है, and let's be happy. That's it. You're
Yeah.
not
And
necessary in
how I can
every way.
improve it? How I can improve it? Some things
Yeah.
cannot be, let's say, 100%, but they can be 20% better. They can be 30%
Yes.
better. Right? That's the
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
And you don't know when the day will come, it will become 120% better.
True. True, sir.
Okay. So be
Yeah. Just
positive.
need
And
a, yeah.
yeah.
Maybe I would just request to everyone to keep their blessings on me for my overall healing journey.
Yes, you are already blessed and you enjoyed today's support session. So आज से हमने diamond support session शुरू किया, right? It's a small journey, but because every day there's some other pain happening in our health, relationship, money, which area? Physical pain, emotional pain, mental pain. We don't know which pain. Okay, so you
Right.
healed to that in just 30 minutes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so
and then
much, sir.
see how you can be the host for other people. Yeah. सबसे अच्छी हीलिंग कब होती है जब दूसरों को हीलिंग देते हो. ठीक
Sure.
है. So now get ready. ठीक है, अपने दुख छोड़ो, साइड में करो, दूसरों के बड़े हैं मुझसे. If I can solve their problem, my problem automatically solve. मैं तो यही कर रहा हूँ 10 सालों से. देखो मैंने
Yes,
10
so
साल से दवाई नहीं
that feeling is
खाई.
always there.
Right? जब मैं
In
अपने
fact,
पेन
sir,
पे
one
फोकस ही नहीं करता हूँ.
yeah, just one problem for me, sir. As I had told you, I have left all my medicines which I was taking since last 2 years, homeopathy and all. Since last 2 months or after Navratri fasting sessions, I have left the medicine. So, but in between, I have experienced, and in past 1.5 year after joining you, I had left in between 2 months. But again, I used to restart it because I had noted a drop in my health issues. Like I used to feel a pain in my knees or the below feet. The pain used to start if I stand for 30 minutes. So that weakness kind of part I have been feeling. So I don't know how to overcome. And that when that pain triggers or that feeling is there of weakness, then I feel again switching back to the medicine. So that one
Yeah.
answer I'm now
So that's
looking
okay.
through.
That's like because your subconscious is still very strong on medicine you were taking so many years in your life. Okay. And now you are switching it off. And then environmental चीजें तो भी 100% नहीं हुई है ना. So they keep on re-triggering the emotions in us, right? So slowly it's become जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया हमारे डायमंड सेशंस में भी इस बारे में बात हुई. You have to heal the environment. You cannot accept a toxic environment for the rest of your life and see कि मेरा past trigger नहीं होगा. मैं आपको रोज पेन चुभाऊंगा, आप बोलोगे मेरे को दर्द नहीं होना चाहिए, आप ऐसा कुछ दे दो.
I
Understood
keep
now?
this your point in mind, but honestly,
Yeah.
environment उतना
You
change नहीं
have to
हो रहा है.
work. If you don't change the environment, let's say if I am अभी दिल्ली में सबसे टॉक्सिक हवा चल रही है, okay, न्यूज़ पे है, वर्ल्ड लेवल पे दिल्ली चल रहा है आफ्टर दिवाली एंड ऑल. एंड आई से नो नो नो, मैं तो रोज प्राणायाम में यही करना है, मेरे को यहीं जीना है, यहीं मरना है, मैं तो रोज एक्सरसाइज भी करने जाता हूँ, तो एक्सरसाइज करके तो और बीमार हो जाऊंगा मैं वहां जाके. सो यू नो अंडरस्टैंड द एनवायरनमेंट, राइट? आई कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट द एनवायरनमेंट आफ्टर सर्टेन लेवल कि भाई अभी 400 का AQI चल रहा है. लाइक आई एम इन दुबई नाउ एंड द AQI इज अराउंड 47 or 48. इन दिल्ली इट इज 10 times higher, right? So when I just change the environment, this मैं environment context से सिखा रहा हूँ. If I do everything good but the environment is toxic, I will be getting affected. Do you agree?
Yeah, so.
है ना? So the only goal is first how I can make it more positive and better. That's the ultimate कि कोई पुराना past trigger ही नहीं होगा फिर, क्योंकि past का कोई connection नहीं है. So still work on it. Don't lose hope and continue our sessions में अभी. Every day, pick up one small problem and heal it and ask for solution, and you will be guided.
Thank you.
And keep taking small actions to progress. Thank you so much, everybody. Unmute. Bless Pooja she has been very consistent last 1 year in her healing journey.
Bless you, Pooja ji.
Bless you, Pooja. Bless you.
Astu.
Bless you. Bless you.